Today is first day for quarantine, and then now time for I think for lunch time. I lunch with all my friends here. Hey guys, say hello. All hey, monkey, say hello, man. Monkey. And then this one, all my friends. So now we have lunch together. Okay. So who will leader for the prayer? Okay, monkey will be leader. Hello guys, I am Ashari. This is second day of quarantine. I know that mask is limited. Everywhere is limited. It's expensive. So you can use sarung now. Now what you do is only like this. First thing you just do tight like this, and then knock. Then you take one from here, you do like this. Now you can go everywhere like this, so easy, no need to buy mask. Okay, see you when I am free now. Free from quarantine.
Let's get your go.